DSEI Arms Fair. You likely won't have heard of it or seen it on the news before. It's where the biggest companies sell weapons that are used in war. To governments and armies from all around the world, they travel here to London where the fair is held. Repressive regimes, among the most violent, the UK government formally invites them to wine them, dine them, tell them that they like them, anything to sell them weapons, anything to bribe them. The weapons that we sell here are used in wars globally. This is where war starts, with arms made locally. Black boys with knives are getting sent down for life, but bombs, tanks and warships, we can sell them openly. This is the hypocrisy of the state we live in. Immigrants are bad, but dictators get the bring-in. Britain needs business and Britain means business, but we don't have to make a killing just to make a living. How can we justify murder with financial reward? As if money made from murder should be something we support. And we do support those companies because we pay them subsidies. Any country profiting from war is truly poor. But the position of a government is that we just produce them. We can't decide how other governments will use them. We're not the bad guys, we just distribute them. But we can decide who we invite to buy and view them. When you sell weapons to repressive regimes, they're not going to use them to decorate trees. Selling them guns doesn't help us make peace. Bullets make blood and give us lesser safe streets. But the Arms Fair respond.
No equipment can be sold here without an export licence. We have one of the most stringent export licence criteria, and it's all dealt with on a case-by-case basis.
Of course, because this government values human life. That's why we sell arms to countries who abuse human rights. That's why our weapons are firmly on the checklist. That's why there's murderers and tyrants on our guest lists. Like Saudi Arabia, who are known for breeding terror. The list of all their war crimes is too long to measure. They lead illegal wars, killing civilians in Yemen. They've murdered tens of thousands and they're using British weapons. Israel have paid us hundreds of millions for weapons used for killing Palestinian civilians. And these are all deliberate political decisions, most of which are made because we're betrayed by politicians. These weapons are to die for, and we are sick to death of it. People die in our names and politicians benefit. Business is booming and BAE is getting rich. Get a grip. If we supply terrorists, we're terrorists. We're all accessories to murder just so companies can get rich. How can we defend this? None of us accept this. Britain doesn't have to make a killing just to make a living. Can we shut the arms fair and dash them off the guest list? Stop the arms fair.